Hello guys, and today we are going to be doing EAS ratings. There are a lot of people who do these. I watch them, I love them, they're awesome. I'm going to do it myself. Okay, 10 out of 10. I actually like this one. It's decent. I really like it. Japan? It sounds like whenever you get an item in a video game, it's indescribable. Good job, Japan. People think they got an item in a video game whenever they hear, oh my god, there's a bomb about to strike Tokyo. There's a bomb about to strike Tokyo. Oh my god, play the video game sound.
My daughter's been using
the Japanese
piano, and she's
oh crap! Don't look.
Seriously, are you making another sponsored post? Honey,
Okay, the French, just France. Are you kidding me? Just why? Why? Okay, France is just, it's 3 out of 10. I hate it. Oh, sorry, I forgot to give you the rating on the Japanese. Japanese was 2 out of 10. This is 3 out of 10. Oh my god. France just this is too quiet. It would be much scarier. US, it scared me when I was like 8. And I'm 9 now, so it's a major increase. I absolutely hate this one. Okay, just why? Oh, big thanks to Titanic Durant, however you want me to say it. For sponsoring, not for sponsoring, sorry. For a big thanks to him for making all these videos. Oh my god. I actually low-key kind of like this one. I've heard a remix of this one. It's awesome whenever it's the remix. And so I give it 10 out of 10. It's pretty good. I actually like this one. It's pretty good, honestly. If you don't like this one, you're dead to me. You have to unsubscribe. I'm just kidding. No, but it's really good. Okay. I don't know what one this is. Polish? Okay, that's just a police siren. 0 out of 10. You could have done a little bit better. Seriously, you could have done a little bit better, at least. You could have at least added like a burn in the background. 0 out of 10. 0 out of 10. They couldn't even try. Oh, sorry, I was trying to do a Norm voice impression. If he's calling Norm. Taiwanese, if I read that right. Okay, it sounds like a nuclear bomb is about to explode. If I heard this, I'd go in my basement. I don't have a basement. Let's see. This is okay. It's okay. 0 out of 10. I hate it so much. The Australians? I hate this. I'm never moving to Australia. I thought I was going to move there. Nope. Not anymore. Never gonna move to Australia. Oh my god, I just had some voice. 0 out of 10. Actually, not 0. Negative 2 out of 10. I hate it so much. Thanks a lot, Australians. Now I'm not gonna move. Spain. It sounds like whenever you're getting it sounds like you're getting a message on your answer machine. On an answer machine? I don't have an answer machine. It sounds like you just got a message or something. 0 out of, no, not 0. 3 out of 10. Definitely, it's kind of good. Is it gonna finish? Did my iPad just get a virus? I hate this one. Wait, this is a meme. South Koreans. 3. I hate it so much. 3. 3 out of 10. I hate it so much. Make it stop. There's been so many memes made out of this alarm. South Korea, change it before we get your house hacked. This is Iraq, right? Not Iran. You hear that weird beat? It's like... Hear it? Okay, 4 out of 10. Who thought a race car would make a good alarm? Sounds like a race car. Reactions. Okay. Philippine. You're joking, right? Okay, 13 out of 10. It's terrible. Oh, wait, no. 30, negative 30 out of 10. It's just a beeping. I hate it so much. Swedish? The Swedish just don't know how to... 3 out of 10. The Philippines was rating... Oh, yeah, I already did that. 33. Negative 33 out of 10. This is lit 30. Negative 2 out of 10. I hate it.